Welcome to day one of the second annual Ending Homelessness Together gathering.
It's the End Homeless Winnipeg gathering. It's a conference on housing and homelessness.
The key word to me here in this title is yes, ending, yes, homelessness, but it's the together word.
It's packed, completely packed. On my table, I saw someone who came in all the way from Ottawa. So we are growing and we're getting better.
It's so important to come together, to share and to receive stories so we can learn that our struggles are so similar and our differences are not as big as we thought they were.
We are spending 3 days together to gather, to share information, to find the joy in connectedness, in community, because we do operate in these silos sometimes.
If you had come talk to me when I was sleeping on those sidewalks and on those benches and stuff, and you said that I was going to end up presenting at an Ending Homelessness conference, I never would have believed you. Each and every single one of us here are capable of far more than we can imagine.
Well, with these gatherings, we have teachings, lots of different teachings, lots of different perspectives. Homelessness affects every family, every member of community, and we can do better.
How cold must our systems be at times when people choose minus 40 over having the courage to ask for help from these systems?
Last year was the step one, but this year we're covering a lot more topics that are essential to the conversation on homelessness. And I was part of the lived experience panel yesterday.
We need more supportive housing that operates with a harm reduction lens so that people's problems don't cycle further into chaos.
And the other important thing that happened for me was that we were able as Indigenous people to share knowledge with non-Indigenous people about the things that matter to us.
It's an opportunity to build capacity, to share experiences, and look at how to forge a common front for the sector moving forward.
When we get together, like in this setting, we're able to communicate those things that we are doing. What is working, what's not working, what do we need?
In order for us to be transformative in our community, lighting that fire, we have to acknowledge our shortcomings and acknowledge where we are.
You don't make progress if you stick to the same old.
People have been making connections with each other, and not just about homelessness, but about that connection of us as a community of people who believe in the same things. People need to make those connections in order to do the kind of work that needs to happen.